Hello student, welcome to my channel Akhter tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to divide any number by 50 in a second. So let's start. Let's take an example here. Okay, so see 215 divided 50. So what you need to do, you just do simply double of 215, right? So 215 double is 430 and simply put a decimal before two digit. Okay, let's take another example. 423 divided 50. So what will be 423? It will be, if you double do this, 846. Okay, and simply 1 2 before 2 you just put a decimal. So now is your answer. Another math is like 1 2 3 4. Okay, divided 50. So what will be 1234? Double will be 2468. Okay, and put a decimal here. So is your answer. So it's very easy trick. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. See you. Bye bye.